Just a quick video to explain my conspiracy theory about when the levee breaks. I made a comment on James' channel. I'm a huge Led Zeppelin fan, and I've been listening for lots of years to the band's studio releases, bootlegs, outtakes, anything I can get my hands on. And I also, because I'm such a huge fan, I find my way to people like James, Bonzolium, Mr. Jimmy, anybody that can get it, that can get that sound. And it's like unlocking some secret magic or something. So, but at any rate, listening to these companion discs, you kind of get a sense of, okay, this was the track that ended up on the album, short of overdubs, short of vocals, or short of, you can kind of hear that. And you listen enough and you can hear the little nuances, and you can say, it's close, but that's not the one that made it on the album. And then one day I was playing around with the pitch adjustment on my turntable, trying to see how close If It Keeps On Raining is to When the Levee Breaks. And so this is what I was referring to. Now, when in reality, that's the pitch at normal. I don't know if that'll show up on the video, but so that's that.